Hey FlossTube, I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle. It is October 10th and I am still doing what I can for Floss-O-Ween. If anyone can tell me how you can have so much stress and drama and not have had anything actually happen, I am racking my brain trying to figure that out. I had plans. I am working on another project that I would love to show you, but I want to show it to you the way I had planned on showing it to you. And that got really sidetracked last night. So this morning I pulled out the Mill Hill broom sale kit. I bought this. It's dated back in 2001, and that is probably close to when I bought it. I bought two. I finished the bat house years ago. I did it on Ada because I was afraid of the perforated paper. And I think I got mad and left off a bunch of the beads because by the time I finished this thing, I just hated it. So I'm working on broom sale because it's Floss-O-Ween and it's a Halloween project and it's all contained and easy to grab, and Calico tells me these are fun. Hers are way cuter than mine because Mill Hill has definitely evolved over the years and is doing prettier things, but I have this. I paid for this. I'm the kind of person who, if I have it in my sewing room and I paid money for it, then, well, dang it, I guess I've got to stitch it. So I sorted my floss, which the morning I am having sorting floss wasn't even easy. Got my beads tucked away in my little organizer thing that I made because it makes me happy that it's pretty fabric, and I figure this doesn't really fit in the organizer, but I can wrap it around it in my Ziploc bag, and then it'll be easy to look at my sewing tote and go, oh, that's broom sale. And I pulled out my perforated paper and I started stitching. And I've already had to frog, and as much as stitching on perforated paper makes me nervous, taking out stitches on perforated paper makes me a lot more nervous. So I don't have high hopes for this project. But I got my floss sorted and I did some stitching, and we'll see where it goes from here. I'm cautiously optimistic. And the reason I'm making myself do this is because I don't learn from my experiences sometimes. And I really want to stitch the Yellowstone Santa. I really want to stitch this guy. If I'd been smart, I would have said, okay, you're up at Acorns and Threads a lot, because at the point where I bought this guy, I was up at Acorns and Threads every month. I could have made myself finish this broom sale successfully before I let myself buy the Santa, but I didn't because I didn't. I could have bought something else at the shop that would have caused me a great less stress and a lot more joy, but this is what I'm working on today. I am happy with my progress so far, still intimidated. I may get a little more time today to put in a few more stitches, and honestly, if this winds up tucked back in a Ziploc bag for another, 19 years, it's not the worst thing that could happen. Let me know, are you stitching for Halloween? Are you having fun? How is your October going? Better than mine, I hope. I don't know if October is better than September or not, and that is just a horrifying thought. I'm Michelle, this is my romantic tangle, and I'll be back with you again very soon.